Hey future doctors, welcome to third episode of NEET Podcast where I am providing you guys with audible rapid revision of chapters of NCERT Biology for the upcoming NEET exam. If you are new and find our initiatives helpful in your NEET journey, do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends as well. This is Dr. Sharun. Let's start. Animal Kingdom. Introduction. Animal Kingdom consists of multicellular eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. Characteristics: lack cell wall and chlorophyll. Holozoic nutrition, that is, ingestion of food occurs. Motility: most have muscle and nerve cells for movement and coordination. Reproduction: mostly sexual, some show asexual reproduction as well. Example, the budding in sponges. Embryonic development: formation of blastula seed. Basis of classification. First, level of organization. Cellular level. No tissue, loose aggregation of cells. Example, porifera, sponges. Tissue level. Cells grouped into tissues, no organs seen. Example, Cnidaria, Ctenophora. Organ level. Tissues form organ but no complete organ systems are seen. Example, Platyhelminthes. Organ system level. Well-defined organ systems. Example, nematode to chordata. Second, body symmetry. Asymmetrical, no definite shape. Example, porifera. Radial symmetry can be divided into equal halves along multiple planes. Example, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Echinodermata adults. Bilateral symmetry divided into two equal halves only along one plane. Example includes Platyhelminthes to chordates except for Echinodermata. Third, germ layer, embryonic layers. Diploblastic or triploblastic. Diploblastic means there are two layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Example, Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Triploblastic means there are three layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Example, Platyhelminthes to chordates. Fourth, body cavity or coelom. Animals can be acoelomate, no body cavity between the germ layers. Example, Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomate, false body cavity not completely lined by mesoderm. Example, nematode. Or coelomates, that is, a true coelom is present fully lined by mesoderm. Example, annelids to chordata. Fifth, segmentation. Absent in porifera, cnidarians, platyhelminthes, nematoda. Present in annelids, arthropoda, chordates. Sixth, notochord. Absent in non-chordates, present in chordates. Classification of animal kingdoms. Non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates. Invertebrate animals without notochord. Phylum Porifera. Sponges. Asymmetrical cellular level of organization. Water canal system is seen. Water enters through ostia to the spongocoel, exists via ossiculum. Choanocytes, collar cells, help in filter feeding. Spicules and spongin fibers provide support. Reproduction. Asexual by budding, gemmules. Sexual, indirect development, larval stages seen. Example, Cycon, Spongilla, Euplectella. Phylum Coelenterata. Radial symmetry, diploblastic, tissue level organization. Nidoblasts or nematocysts, stinging cells for defense and prey capture. Polymorphism, polyp, sessile, medusa, free swimming. Metagenesis, alteration of generation seen in Obelia. Example includes Hydra, Obelia, Aerulia, Physalia, corals. Phylum Ctenophora. Radial symmetry, diploblastic, 8 ciliated rows, comb plates for locomotion seen. Bioluminescence, ability to produce light. Example, Pleurobrachia, Ctenoplana. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, acoelomates. Dorsiventrally flattened body, mostly parasitic. Example, tapeworm, liver fluke. Flame cells for excretion. Examples, planaria, fasciola, tinea. Tinea is the tapeworm, fasciola is liver fluke. Phylum Nematode. Bilateral symmetry, pseudocoelomate, unsegmented body. Complete digestive system present. Example, Ascaris, roundworm, Wucheria, filarial worm, Enterobius, pinworm. Phylum Annelida. Metameric segmentation, true coelomates, closed circulatory system present. Nephridia for excretion. Example, Ferretima, earthworm, Herodinaria, leech, Nereis. Phylum Arthropoda. Exoskeleton made of chitin, open circulatory system, joined appendages, metameric segmentation seen. Examples: insects, honeybee, mosquito, butterfly; crustaceans, crab, prawn; arachnids, spider, scorpion; myriapods, millipedes, centipedes. Mollusca, soft-bodied animals, calcareous shell present. Example: pila, apple snail; octopus; unio, freshwater mussels. Phylum Echinodermata, spiny skinned animals. Radial symmetry adults, bilateral symmetry in larvae, water vascular system for locomotion present, calcium carbonate endoskeleton. Example: starfish, asterias, sea urchins, sea cucumber. Chordates, animals with notochord. Characteristics of chordates: notochord present at some stage, dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, post-anal tail. Subphyla of chordates: urochordates, cephalochordates, vertebrates. Urochordates: notochord is seen in larval stage. Example: Ascidia, salpa. Cephalochordates: notochord present throughout the life. Example: Amphioxus. Vertebrates: notochord replaced by vertebral column in adults. Classification of vertebrates. Class: Cyclostomata, jawless fishes. Circular mouth, no jaw, cartilaginous body. Example: lamprey, hagfish. Class: Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes. Cartilaginous skeleton, gills without operculum. Example: shark, stingray. Class: Ostrichthyes, bony fishes. Bony skeleton, gills with operculum. Example: rohu, tuna, salmon. Class: Amphibia. Moist skin, no scales, external fertilization, dual life, land and water. Example: frog, toad, salamander. Class: Reptilia. Cold-blooded, terrestrial. Scales present, internal fertilization seen, lungs are present. Example: snake, turtle, crocodile. Class: Aves, birds. Feathers, beak, pneumatic bones, four-chambered heart. Example: pigeon, crow, eagle. Class: Mammalia, milk producing animals. Mammary gland, hair, warm blooded. Example: humans, dogs, whales. That was the entire chapter, and the 10 minutes timer has still not clicked. Guys, the more sensations you involve in your preparation, better you remember. And with these podcasts, we are putting your auditory sensation to play. I really hope you find these helpful, and if you do, don't forget to share it with your friends as well. I'll see you guys in the next episode of the podcast. This is Dr. Sharun signing off.